Hi, welcome back to host channel and back to the tutorial for our computer networks. Today I'm going to see the topic called TCP versus UDP differences in computer networks. The previous session I explained about what is meant by UDP and what are the applications and advantages of UDP. So please kindly check the video list when you have doubt and continuous classes. And this tutorial definitely helpful for whoever want to crack the exams like GATE, UGC and any competitive exam or university exam also. Okay, let's go for session today. So there will be a main difference between TCP and UDP. So first difference is TCP. When you come to TCP, here it's a connection oriented protocol as you know, which is point options. Why we are saying this? Because the communicating devices should establish a connection before transmitting data and should close the connection after transmitting the data. So there will be a system is there, two systems look like a telephone system. There will be a connection establishment is there and data transfer will be there after it has terminated the connection, stop the connection, requesting replying from the client and server. But UDP is not like here is a connection over data oriented protocol, datagram or you can say connection oriented protocol because there is no overhead for opening the connection and maintaining the connection and terminating the connection. That is the biggest advantage of UDP here. And TCP, when you come to TCP, it's reliable as it guarantees the delivery of data to the destination router. Suppose I'm saying data P1, P1, P2 like that. The data will be delivered to the destination from source to destination, that is guarantee P1, P2, P3. But here the delivery of data to the destination cannot be guaranteed in UDP. Let's say example I'm sending P1, P2, P3. The P3 may not reach the destination. Destination means it may not reach. That is a drawback of UDP here. Then TCP, when you come to TCP, provides extensive error checking mechanisms because it supports the flow control as well as the organization data. We can say like that will be there flow control and the organization data. But here UDP has only the basic error check mechanism using checksums because it always depends. If you want to complete look at the error checking mechanism, it may go for deeply about ICMP and so on and so on. So like that will be there. And here when you come to TCP, sequence of data is the future of the TCP. This means what? The packets are in order at the receiver. If you're sending P1, P2, P3, it will be in the same order P1, P2, P3 only. It won't be rearranged. But here there is no sequence of data in UDP. If the order is required, it has to be managed by the application layer. So if I send P1, P2, P3, in TCP it's not, but here not like that. P2 in UDP, P2 may be first and P3 may be second and P1 may be third like that. And here TCP is completely slower than UDP and UDP is faster and simpler and more efficient than the TCP. Then we can have some application also. Moreover, you know TCP has a bytes like a 20 bytes header only and UDP has an 8 bytes only, fixed length header. And when you come to TCP is heavy weight and UDP is lightweight. And TCP does not support broadcasting, remember, and UDP support broadcasting. So major advantage of UDP here. At last, who use means the TCP used by the protocol like HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP, and at last Telnet. And UDP today in the worldwide today using UDP is by protocols like DNS, DHCP, SNMP, RIP, and WIPE also. So these are the main difference between the TCP and UDP. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the following social media. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.